Te. Pasilius lang. Pili ka lang. Una-una. Ganda dito ah. No? We'll go there, we'll go there. Oh, it's like a frog. Jumping like a frog. Excited like a frog. No more mommy, only baby. Rock. There's a fish. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get the fish.
Over there. Beach. Wow.
Go there.
It's on the beach?
Let's go. Yeah. It's a nice sand.
It's okay.
No need to remove.
Don't remove because my daddy was just no.
Sharp. It's sharp.
Sharp. It's okay.
Maybe there's.
Oh. Now you are walking on there. You are walking there. No more walking.
This is the Merkelian Lake.
The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh.
Wala na, dry ang lake.
I sung to the open
No water. No lake.
Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
Malansa.
The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truths as they flow down. Their songs entwined with the trees that stand, knotted in time.
Ang ganda ng camera, galibot lang siya, oh. Be.
Each echoing step on the forest floor
Oh,
opens
ganda, oh.
through
Hi guys.
No fish.
Yeah.
the side
All died.
You can see that water. A lot of lumot. Algae.
in the arms of solitude.
Anong month kaya nagiging okay tong lake na to, no? No?
Whispering pines
Summer?
Kasi pa winter ay sa man.
Hindi eh. Hindi. Wala pa man winter nga. Dapat, di ba? No?
teach me the language of rustling leaves.
Maganda sana yung...
Stories that
Ito yung Merculon Lake. Pinaka-Merculon Lake. Ito talaga.
What? Very good.
under the boughs where the shadows play. The wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering
Hi
pines,
guys.
secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moon
Oh, jump.
spills the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky.
Tirawan mo daw.
Oh, whispering pines, sing me your
The
tune,
bird catching the fish.
caught in the rhythm of the stars and the
See,
moon.
hi fish. Hi
Teach
bird.
me the language
Hi bird.
of rustling leaves,
Bird.
stories that linger
Bird. Up.
on the breath
Up.
of the breeze.
One eternity later.
Hi guys. Now lunch times. Baby eating now. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Mami Coco. Look. Ah, dope. Okay, dope. Grabe naman ang aso na. Laki naman. Ayan.
dapat pwede
tanghali.
itong salt and pepper lang eh. No?
Salt and pepper. Ayan o, may vlog yung restaurant dala o. Egg. Ayan. Let's eat muna, let's eat. Time check is 12:30. 12:30. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Bye guys.
Bye baby.
A few moments later.
And guys, pangalawang gabi na namin dito sa campsite. Siyempre, hi baby Marta. Ayan, binago namin yung position ng misa kasi nakaran doon. So nilipat namin. Dito si Mami Coco. Ano to Mami Coco? Kaldereta to guys. Kalderetang baka o ano? Manok. Kalderetang manok tong niluto ni Mami Coco. Sumunod tayong palakol. So, ayan, may saging pa. So, bukas na kami uwi ng umaga. So, may ilaw-ilaw tayo dito guys. So, ayan. Electric fan. Ay, Mami Coco. Ayan. Mami. Hi Marta. Meron tayong limpo para doon sa kaldereta.
The next day.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning guys. Good morning Bibi Marta. Yes. Good morning Marta. Isang malamig na umaga mga kaibigan. Sobrang lamig. So dala-dalawa ng jacket ko. Dala-dalawa na eh. Tapos may damit ako sa loob. At si Marta, hindi talaga minalamig ko. What? It? Guys, magluto muna tayo ng corned beef para kasi today alis na kami. So corned beef pinapay at parang ano tayo.
Teach me the language of rustling leaves,
Corned beef.
stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
Lamig, lamig, lamig.
The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down.
Kulit ni Marta. How are you Marta?
Songs
Get bread na?
entwined with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature.
So kagabi pala guys, umulan. Nunguna,
Each echo
napakalakas yung hangin.
on the forest
Grabe yung
floor.
hangin, no? Tapos, umulan naman siya. Hindi naman gano'ng kalakas. Wala, hindi nga nabasa yung lupa.
The silence
Sabihan natin yung sibuyas.
yet brimming with sound.
Tapos marami sibuyas.
In the arms
Mamalakas yung mga po. Yung bilis, ano manipos kasi.
I am found. Oh,
Hi Marta!
whispering
Hi Marta! I will cook corned beef. Dami sibuyas. Nakachop na to eh.
stars and
Yeah. Ah, this is sharp. Ano?
teach me the language of
Slow. Slow ito.
stories.
Sharp. Dangerous. Plate. Plate. Wala tayong dalang ano eh. Karandok. Ha? What color? This one? Blue? Gold. Hot. Sibuyas pa lang guys, mabango na. Parang hindi masyadong uminit yung sigmura ko sa kape. Lamig agad eh. No? Ito yung ano. So, corn beef. Naman yung mga oo. Tulog na tulog siya. Tulog na tulog yung mantika, guys. Tulog na tulog. Frozen. That's it guys, isang kami, yomi, ramillo, tapos yung corn beef, bread, Martin bread, yun ang breakfast namin ni Mami Coco at ni Marta. Let's go, that's it.
A few moments later.
Uwian na, maglipitan na tayo. Ayan o. So magliligpit na kami. Nalagay niyo lahat ng mga gamit namin dito guys. Ayan. Ilagay natin sa ating sasakyan at magligpit na ng tent. Yes. Ito yung ating... Hi baby, let's go home?
No.
Okay, no, ayaw nyo pa na. Sige guys. Ligpitan na muna. Time check is 11:30. Ha? Nakapag-sit up na kami. Sit up. Dahil ka ng pagligpit pala. Sorry. Sit up. Ayan. Ilagay namin yung mga gamit namin. Ayan. Dinala namin yung buong kwarto namin. Kasi malamig yan, di ba? Kaya marami tayong kumot, unan, basta ganun. Ayan, naka-ready na. So, plus 12 na. Actually, 2 o'clock pa naman yung check-out time. Mas maganda na labas na tayo maaga kasi magsabay-sabay sa exit dun sa may ano, magpa-clearance tayo. Mahaba yung pila. Mga RB pa naman yung mga kasabay natin. So, clear naman dito. Kailangan malinis yung pinanggalingan natin. Bawal yung mga karga dito, baka i-charge tayo, di ba? Let's go guys! Are you ready guys? Marta, are you ready? Okay. Say bye-bye. Say thank you, campsite. Miquelon. Provincial Park, Alberta, Canada. Sarap ulit-ulitin. Okay, bye-bye Marta. Bye-bye Marta. Let's go. Are you okay there?
Yes.
You sitting alone there?
Yes.
Where's mommy?
Yes.
There. Hi mommy. Say hi mommy. Hi naman dyan.